Falcons.
It is Monday, October 14th. Please stand for the flag salute. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, everyone. Hopefully you're having a fantastic Monday morning. I almost forgot how to sit in a chair. How have you been?
Good.
All right, everybody, let's begin with academics. Teachers and students, please note that the textbook room hours for this week. Today it will be closed, but Tuesday through Thursday it will be 9 a.m. through 1 p.m., and Friday it will be 9 a.m. through 1.
USC will be on campus on Thursday, October 17th at 1:30. So if you would like to come and hear the presentation, stop by the Career Center, room 801 to sign up. All grade levels are welcome.
Also, APU, Azusa Pacific University, will be on the library October 18th at 1. So all students attending must sign up in the Career Center.
UC Berkeley will also be having a representative in the Career Center on Wednesday, October 23rd at 9:30 a.m. Sign up in the Career Center if you are interested in UC Berkeley.
All right, 2 activities. Congratulations to our Wonderland Court. Honorary staff members are Linda Alfred and Joel Marion, so shout out to Miss Alfred and Mr. Marion. Freshman Prince, we elected Jacques Stumbaugh, and for Freshman Prince, that's weird. Freshman Prince S, Jacques Stumbaugh, and Freshman Prince Emmanuel Velasquez.
And Sophomore Princess Rosanna Rico, and Sophomore Prince Matthew Sengelang.
All right, we also have Junior Princess Angela Gregory and Junior Prince Thomas Liu.
And then we have Senior Princess Brenda Gomez and Ashley Blackwood. And then for Prince, Eric Pacheco and... oh, I'm sorry.
We're still on princesses.
Yeah, we're still on princesses. I'm sorry. Erica Pichardo, Shania Wu, Jasmine Torres. And for Senior Princes, Eric Pacheco, Victor Hernandez, Drew Valdez, Jared Evangelista, and Juan Lopez.
All right, so congratulations to all of you. And also remember, Falcons, it is Wonderland Spirit Week. Today, it's Mix Match Day, so wear your wackiest outfits so you can think ahead and head out to the games for the quad for fun and games. Tomorrow, it will be Tweedledee and Tweedledum Day, so get your best friend and dress up like identical twins.
On Wednesday is Who Are You Day. Wear a letter from the words with your friends. And then Thursday is Tea Party Day. Put on your maddest hat and bring out the Mad Hatter in you.
All right, and then Friday we have Falcon Fanatic Day. Show off your spirit and show off your school spirit and wear your Falcon gear. Come and meet the homecoming corps at the assembly at 4th period, and don't miss the game that night against the La Puente Warriors. The game is at 7 and will be held at Falcon Stadium, where your Wonderland Queen will be announced at halftime. You definitely do not want to miss a night in Wonderland at Hearst Ranch in West Covina. Appetizers and desserts will be served at the dance, and the 2013 Wonderland King will be announced. It will be an evening of fun with friends, food, and surprises.
And now, off the topic of homecoming, freshmen, if you are interested in running for class office, you need to pick up your packets in the activities office. The packets are due Wednesday, the 16th.
All right, everybody, come out and come and take your spooky Halloween picture at the Halloween booth. That will be October 31st at lunch, during lunch out in the quad. So remember, guys, for one picture that will be $2, and for an extra copy that is $1 extra.
And now on to athletics. Congratulations to Duarte Falcon volleyball program. All levels beat Ganesha last week, and you guys did an outstanding job. So good job, ladies. Your coaches are very proud of you. And special shout out to varsity volleyball team who's undefeated in League 7-0. Keep pushing forward, ladies. Coach Tsunabe is very proud of you.
All right, girls soccer tryouts start today after school. Make sure you're cleared and have your athletics packet if you want to play. So remember, guys, go to the athletics office if you need to get your packet and to be medically cleared.
Freshman football, you will be taking pictures on Thursday at 2. Your coaches have all your picture pricing information, so don't wait last minute to get that to your parents.
All right, everybody, come out and support your fellow Falcon athletes at the following events. Tuesday, we have volleyball versus Azusa home. That will be at 3:15, 4:15, and 5:15. JV girls tennis away at Bassett. That will be at 3:15. Varsity girls tennis versus Bassett home at 3:15.
And then on Thursday, we have Frosh soft football versus La Puente home at 3:15. Cross country Escobar Park away at 3:15. All the volleyballs away at Workman 3:15, 4:15, and 5:15. Varsity girls tennis versus Ganesha home at 3:15, and that's it.
And on Friday, we have varsity football versus La Puente. That will be the homecoming game. Be sure to come out. That will be at 7. And Saturday, we have girls basketball fall league home starting from 11 to 4. All right, guys. Also, remember, we will be broadcasting daily live at 9:04, and you can come and watch the I forgot the word, reruns on YouTube at 9:55. So be sure to check in Doherty Falcon Daily News. All right, everybody. That will be it for the announcements today.
I'm Yaneli.
I'm Isaiah for Falcon TV. You stay classy.